Yeah, so Vaya basically is the largest travel aggregator in Asia.
Okay.
Okay, so we focus on the experience, overall experience of the user in it. In terms of it should be like frictionless. Like we have provided some of the features in the app which basically we pioneer. So like Fair Calendar is one of those features. What we have done, the user can see the fair of the complete year on Fair Calendar along with festivals, which like basically we were the first one to launch. So it helps user to better plan his destination. Like if somebody want to go in October to Delhi for Diwali, so he know like which is the cheapest fare, like what is the cheapest fare available on which fare. Along with this, we are doing some more innovation. Like what? So we know like typing is a pain on in mobile. So what we have done, we have indexed all the travelers' data. So whenever you are typing a traveler name, it auto suggests you. Okay, like if I type HIM, it will suggest Himanshu. Along with this, there are more options like the discount that we have a flight voucher FYI, which nobody else basically can beat us on discount in flights. These are the things which are basically make Vaya different from others. Vaya is right now has offices in Philippines, Indonesia, Dubai, Singapore, and yes, India. So all besides this, we have a global audience from all the countries. These are the countries where we have offices, B2B presence. More than 50% of our bookings are doing on app. And app is not the replica of desktop app, right? It's a companion, it's a tool which traveler has all the time in his pocket. So right from the planning to the Venice trip, and we all the time we basically get in touch with user. Okay, hey, your flight is tomorrow. So we send him notification like, hey, your flight is tomorrow. So why don't you book cab from us? Or why don't you take extra baggage? Like if you know like he is going with the extra child, this is just personalized option to the user. No, I think we should not shut down desktop channel. So every company should focus on their own core strength. Like in case of Flipkart, it's e-commerce, and in case of Vaya, it's travel. So it's the customer who basically tell us what to shut down. We should not take decision from ourselves. So right now, as I told, more than 50% of our users are looking for mobile, but there are significant users from the desktop also. The moment like 99% users are on mobile, then we shut down desktop. Right now, if there's a traffic, there is no point.